We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to try to hold support here above the 13-cent area. And it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility today. The overall market and Apple did as well. And our Apple bot sent out a bull indicator at 11:40 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision. And call options went up 200% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. And as you see there popping up within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive, continuing to try to hold support. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, what's going on with the inflow versus outflow, and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run idea was from our SPY bot. Our SPY bot at 8:15 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition here from the rip area of bright green bars to the dip area in multiple dates here of white with red borders on 42 vision. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. under a bear indicator since the 15-cent area yesterday. It tried to pop up above it towards 16 and quickly rejected it. And now it's trying to find support here at the 14-cent area, doing a full transition from the rip area to the dip area here in these charts. And the last time it hit a dip area was down here near the 14-cent area. And it brought itself back up to the rip area at around the 17-cent area. Now, the big question is, in the bigger picture, will this actually form a double bottom before going any higher? And a lot of people have been asking about MULLEN stock after the recent run and pullback, what's going on within these charts. And I'm going to share my honest, humble opinion here. And something we need to look at that's going to be crucial and critical to not ignore when we zoom out is the inflow versus outflow, especially going into tomorrow and the next few days, because this inflow versus outflow all along through the volatility has been dominating with outflows. That's why any move to the upside yeah, it's been strong, but it has not been able to hold because these inflows didn't pick up with it to justify the move. Now, big move there from around 10 cents to 30 cents. And there was a bull indicator early on down here at around the 10-cent area, and a bear indicator did not pop up till the 24-cent area, and it rejected that area twice there as it pulled downwards, right? But these inflows never picked up. Now, if we go ahead and zoom in and look at this from the 15-minute, we could go ahead and see in the volatility that inflows did cross over, but look at that volatility pulling back down, trying to come back up, and then the outflows have been dominating here for most of the part of this volatility that we've been seeing in the last several days, and outflows are dominating right now. And to justify any possible strength to the upside, these inflows will need to pick up towards the midpoint and cancel out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator that popped up here at the 1630 area. So definitely something to not overlook here in the volatility of the 15-minute. When you zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, we could also see here how these outflows have been dominating all along. All this pullback back down towards 20 cents, 10-cent area. And in previous videos, I talked about how important it was for these inflows to try to pick back up, and they haven't been able to, and on the 30-minute neither as well. And a bear indicator popped up here at the 15-cent 20 area, and that's something to not ignore, but it has done a full transition into a dip area as well. So right now the big question is, could it double bottom from this area and it's coming back to test a key support level, or will it break through it? And I'm going to share with you guys the key levels I would watch. Well, the first thing is, here on the 30-minute, we want to see these inflows pick back up, head towards the midpoint, and start reflecting that possible strength into these charts, and eventually cancel out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator and bring up the 15-minute with it as well. Get those inflows moving up. And the first resistance is the 1550 area, and then above that is where the bear indicator popped up at the 1580 area, and then comes the 17-cent area. Those are the key resistance levels to the upside if these inflows can start picking up and a possible bull indicator can pop up in the process. Now, if these outflows continue to dominate and these bear indicators continue to dominate on the 30-minute, also on the 15-minute, and now on the 1 hour, well, then we also want to pay attention to the key support level here, and that's the 14-cent area. If that gets broken through and these outflows start to pull further away from the midpoint and start reflecting that weakness even further into these charts, well, then comes the 12-cent area and then the 10-cent area. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside, and the bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial and critical, as well as these inflow versus outflows going into tomorrow and the next few days, as it's at a pivotal area of support that has been tested before, and it quickly bounced off of it towards the 17-cent area. And right now, it's fighting to stay above it in today's volatility. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.